So the Microsoft Blizzard did fine over in John. It's finally done. Thank God. Now we can move on, focus on the future. What the future about that? I have no idea. But I just got this whole real kids bullshit over, and we finally move on. Just focus on the future game finally, and no more bullshit. The deal is finally done. Now I can move on. So yay for me, and yay for Activison Gaming. Yay. Now, but when I tell you, I thought you'd be happy with it. I'd be happy about this deal. I'm 50-50 on this. Look, I hate the FTC, my man, at all. But you know what? It did me a good game. Fine with Microsoft. I'm up for it. Hopefully, just mean gentlemen find a good game from Blizzard and they can fix this shit. No more bullshit. Yeah, I guess no live another day. Time will tell. What's in it? Yeah, let's get the part shots. You know, hey, got me a touch moment. Money to win FTC to fight to buy Activison Blizzard. Yep. We done it instantly. When I do want to know, I like Microsoft. I don't want to be coming going. Let's go with the Xbox. I like the Xbox brand. That was an Xbox brand, but that's coming even well. Been going down in the last couple of years. To be fair, that's because their own damn fault. They fucked up so many times. But I'm just glad this whole deal finally over. This means coming to this game that's coming for me. And no, they did not mean make it better. No, I don't give a damn about that shit. I don't give a console one or nonsense. All I give good games. So if we make a game and put it in the Activison for me, I'm up for that. Again, what's that mean by that? Well, you'll find out. So, enjoy my pod in news. Yep. So, enjoy the show. See ya. Alright, as you can tell my interest, you can tell me about this news. Why? You'll find out. Let's get started. According to an article I have here from, the Verge.com, quote, Microsoft when FTC fight about the buy Activison Blizzard. Yep. FTC but Microsoft is over, and judge decided to deny FTC preliminary injunction request. What does that mean? You're about to find out. Yeah, the Verge.com. California judge allowed Microsoft to quote its acquisition of Activison Blizzard at the 5-day of grueling testimony. Yep. Microsoft opened an ongoing antitrust case by FTC, but Judge Jacqueline Scott, I don't know who it is, had listed an argument both the FTC and Microsoft decided to deny the regulated request for a preliminary injunction. Again, I don't know what that means, but the main long story short, basically, Microsoft now bought Activison Blizzard now. The case is over. Now we can move forward and let the thing go forward. Yep. With the ruling said that. Quote, Microsoft acquisition has been described as the lie in tech history. It deserves scrutiny. That scrutiny has paid off. Microsoft has committed in writing in public in court to keep Call of Duty waiting on PlayStation for 10 years on par with Xbox. Wait. Stop. So, I'm confused. So, it's kind of saying PlayStation for 10 years or not. That's confusing. I don't get that. Who cares? It made an agreement with Nintendo to bring cards to the Switch and under several agreement for the first time bring Activison content to several cloud gaming services. Okay. This correspondability in this case now is decided if notwithstanding these current circumstances, the merger should be halted, but even terminated. Pending on the FTC emergency action for the reason explained. Court found FTC is not showing likely to prevail on its claim, in particular vertical merger. In specific industry may sustain Western competition, so contrary to record evidence point to more consumer access to card or another academic content. So yeah, it's been denied. So basically, to make this short, basically as far as I can tell, apparently card may still sometimes with a piece put in. I don't know what I mean. Actually, this is why I don't follow this shit. It's so confusing, it made my head hurt. But to bring it long story short, too late. The judge said, I quote, the judge criticized Microsoft on a commitment to keep card on PlayStation and even extend the game to Nintendo Switch, despite FTC challenging Microsoft card agreement. Judge Corey took them into consideration in the decision. The court ruling even agreed with Microsoft in theory that Nintendo Switch can be part of the console market, but said FTC can reasonably claim it is not. Yep. Judge Corey also agreed with the FTC that the console market did not include PC. In a statement, Microsoft put in the vice president of the company agreed with the court in some yeah. So, but you see it, the actual thing, the actual thing itself, the vice president. He said, we agree to the court in San Francisco for this quick and full decision and hope our judge will continue working toward a timely resolution. And we will demonstrate consistency throughout the process. We are now committed to working clearly to collaborate to address all concerns. End quote. So, yeah, it looks like the deal has finally come through. The deal is over. We're finally done with this thing. It's over. And we can finally move forward with this damn thing finally. Chuck on, I want to fix this shit. Like, God almighty. This is a clusterfuck of a clusterfuck of a clusterfuck. That's just on my brain. So yeah, looks like a lot of Activation Blizzard games are going to Game Pass now. If you tell me there. So yay. Good in for Game Pass and good in for Blizzard Activation fans. Yay first. So that means Diablo will go to the Xbox and Microsoft now and put it in 5 and so it should be left to the dust. We won't know. Time will tell. But anyways, but the important thing is the case is over. We're finally done with this nightmare. It's over. And we can move forward with our lives. Thank God for that. Hopefully this means we can don't deal with any more bullshit ever again. As for COD and this problem, yeah, we're still with that. I don't feel about that. My point, yeah, I'm just glad this thing is over. We can move forward and no more bullshit. Bullshit, Junior. Yep. If you call us down, this would mean second major of FTC each winner con. Had the regular con have been changed big to coming ever since she was confirmed had in 1821. Wait, what? Why is we going to case? You know what? Who cares? It doesn't matter. But the court is over, the deal is over, now we move forward the line and see what's coming in. Yep, end quote. Yep, not so much. So yeah, okay, FTC lost and we see it coming up. Yep, yeah, I'm going to show you. Hey, Bottle! I don't know by now, you know I like Xbox. Xbox, I think my favorite console, I go in next to put it in. I like both consoles. And I want both consoles to survive, not die. I want both consoles to keep going. But I'm a gaming PC player. Then again, to be fair, the only PC game I play one was StarCraft, Diablo, and some old, but actually some humongous game back in the day. You know, you know those games going up. Look, it didn't know, you know, I was a kid, but you know my point. So I'm more actually into those type of game, but I'm more actually into a bit more PlayStation and Nintendo, and I do like Xbox, but I like all three consoles. With that said, the price coming in with this whole deal with the Activation Blizzard has been kind of a mess, and I do want I'm fine. Trying to book a brain. And the more I think about it, the more it felt confusing. And I thought this case because it felt so complicated to put in no sense. So with all that said though, am I having that the FTC lost and Microsoft Activation Blizzard that they won? Well, Microsoft won and they'll beat the FTC. I'm happy about that. Mode, we can finally move away from the state finally, and this deal can finally go through finally. Thank God for that. After so much bullshit happening, after we're told legal bullshit happening, I'm just glad this case is finally over. And we can move forward and move forward alive. Because, holy shit, this deal took way too long in order to get done. But I'm finally happy finally over. Thank God for that. Now we can move on for the future. Now, obviously, Johnny, what did this mean for, well, obviously for Microsoft Blizzard? Does this mean Microsoft Blizzard finally get this shit together? We could do some good and no more bullshit? I don't know. I don't know the detail. Time will tell. But if it means we get some good games finally from Microsoft Blizzard, I'm up for it. Now, does it mean StarCraft will come back? Does that mean we'll get, well, besides Diablo 4, we already got Diablo 4 came already, but besides Diablo, does this mean we'll get to World of Warcraft on Microsoft? It's possible I admit that. If you do see World of Warcraft appear in Game Pass, I think that would be a cool idea. Because, if anything, look, while I'm not into WoW at all, I tried World of Warcraft once, I got so bored. To the point that it bored me. So, if I get to play World of Warcraft on Game Pass, I think this can work in their favor, because it means I can finally play that game for me without destroying my computer. And that means I can finally play that game on a console, I'm up for it. Because, look, we got my opinion in general of MMOs. That's the one MMO I think I would make a ton of sense to see that on console. Look, it may not be perfect, it may not, well, not console, it may not be PC and console, but it may not be perfect. But you know what? Fuck it, I'll bite the bullet. If it may never get to play that game on Game Pass, I'm up for it. Okay? Yeah, we got my feeling World of Warcraft and its recent expansion of that nonsense and all the bullshit happening with Blizzard. If I get to play World of Warcraft finally on a console actually I can play on finally, like if I play the game, I'll bite the bullets. Because it means there are people that finally get to play the game finally without paying for a goddamn money every single month and want to play the game actually successfully and you don't have to pay every single month with Game Pass. So if Game Pass lets you play World of Warcraft for free, kind of sort of, with Game Pass subscription you have to play on the actual Xbox One, Xbox Series X itself, that's pretty cool. You know I'm up for it. Look, I know that's not going to happen. I know that's a very soon to happen, but shouldn't happen before. If it happens, then that's great. If that, then more people with World of Warcraft. If they don't, then don't skin in my bunch. I just want to give them move forward and no more bullshit. That's me. Now, am I scared of a Monopoly? Of course I am. I always scared of Monopoly. Monopoly are bad. And plus, I don't like Monopoly. Monopoly always destroys the economy. That's a very bad idea. You gotta fuck everything up. But with that said, though, I'm just glad this whole bullshit deal is over. Finally, move forward alive. And because of that, okay, the deal that didn't happen. That didn't happen. But I'm just glad this case is over. And we got move forward the thing and no more bullshit. If it means we get more games, I'm up for it. Now, obviously, it doesn't mean that the one with the card. Does that mean card will still be at the, on PlayStation forever? Or does it mean that the card will go back to somewhere else? I don't know. I don't know the details. I don't know the detail of that situation in whole. In fact, full disclosure, I want to buy a card to take a break because that game right I need a mental break right now. Instead of losing every single game every single year. But knowing my luck, that's never gonna happen because fuck it. That game makes a lot of money, so we got rush the game out every single year without actually taking a break. Which is actually kind of bad when you think about it because why? Why rush the game every week? Wait, mind you guys, that card actually cannot sustain itself by losing every single game every single week. That makes the game actually weak and weak to the point saying we actually cut the fuck. I got a card that can last a break for 5 years before losing their game. Assassin's Creed did it, and that succeeded and not failed midway. So if COD had to go back to actually do a 5, okay, maybe not 10 years, not gonna happen. So if COD gets a massive break, why not pull that trigger? If it ain't a good game, I'm all for it. Let's face factors on. COD and my man is going down the last couple years. Yes, I know when it came out, Modern Warfare the reboot, and Modern Warfare 2 reboot actually happened, we good games. But COD cannot be releasing every single game every single year. It's unsustainable, it's stupid, and a very bad quality over quantity. And I don't want quantity over quality. I want quality over quantity any day. Because quality is good, quantity bad. Even much. Point in general, I think it's hard in COD taking a massive break and no more bullshit. Not even from COD and just take a break until they get the putting together. Because these developers can't release game every single month. That'll drive people insane. They'll drive people mentally and that'll break people actually physically. Well, at least the developer's mind will break physically and mentally because I don't want crunch time. We don't. But that's a whole separate issue altogether. But as far as COD concerned, I'm just gonna wait to see what happens. I want COD to have the break, but I know that's not gonna happen. So until we go anything else, but that's it in the whole. I'm gonna wait to see what happens. Now, I from Microsoft buying Blizzard, I'm happy about this thing. I don't know. I'm 50-50 on this. Part said yes, part said no. But if it means that we get more games, I'm all for it. Because Microsoft really needs help whenever we need more games. So if I get to see more games in general, then I'm all for it. If it means that people get more games, I'm all for it. Look, we go my theory in general. I'm just happy and enjoying that Microsoft did deal finally over. And we can move on to the thing and forget that I'm here. Oh yeah, that happened. Yeah, the all-own thing that Batman done that they got billion, but that thing that they got was cool for some reason. Well, it came back, but that's not important. But in the morning, though, Microsoft will finally done. The deal's over, and we can move on to the damn period. If you really get good games, I'm up for it. Yeah, but going my feeling, I'm just happy this whole Microsoft Activison Blizzard is finally over, and we can move on with this thing and just focus on the future. If it means we get more good games on it, we get no more bullshit. If it means the game is finally going to be great again and I'm a crap, I'm up for it. Look, we got my feeling after putting in that bullshit, but I don't like play, but it's fucked up too many times. I just want some good games. So if I get good games, I'm up for it. If it means no more bullshit, that's great. Even though I know Blizzard's so fucked up about a lot of shit, but what the crap the fuck. But that's another day. I can do tell you why Blizzard's so fucked upon Sandy. But if it means that we can finally get the act together, we can finally move on this thing. I just want some good games. All I wanted, I just wanted some good shit. That's all I want. If it means the company can finally get cleaned up finally, I'm up for it. Well, we won't know until more information, but I'm just glad the deal's over and move on this thing. But until we see it. Time will tell, but until then we see it. But at any point, we go. I think that's good. Oh, I don't. Oh, the thing about Microsoft winning against the FTC, yeah, I got nothing to talk about this thing. I got nothing. So, as far as all winning at FTC, I'm just glad the thing is over and can move on and focus on the future. But until we see it. After the Activison Blizzard deal, yeah, we'll see about that. What this deal over and move on. But until we see it. Time will tell, but until we see it. But anyway, we go. Doing well on Microsoft win against the FTC. Pre-owned car mode. You guys have any news? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Also, people on Twitter. Scum and channel with 2 thoughts. Please the ball kind of song story. Please if you can, I'll talk about it. One more thing. How do you remember winning at the FTC? Is it really good or really bad? Please comment below and I'll talk about it. One more thing. What game do you want from Xbox to acquire from this Blizzard deal? And get this new Blizzard if I can get that together. Please comment below and I'll talk about it later. One good games. See ya. Well, I hope that you'd love it. See ya. Bye.